Ever thought that consuming a teaspoonful of black pepper a day is a magic bullet for your health? Well, hold on to your pepper mills, folks, because we're about to bust a common pepper myth. Black pepper, a ubiquitous culinary spice, has long been celebrated for its medicinal properties. But as with all good things, moderation is key. Cassia D. Muller, a nutritionist with 2 years of experience, warns us that consuming black pepper in high quantities daily could actually lead to health issues. You see, black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which, while beneficial in the right amounts, can interfere with the absorption of some medicines and food supplements. Moreover, overindulgence can result in gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, and even vomiting. So, is black pepper a superfood or a potential health hazard? Let's delve deeper. Enter piperine, the chemical compound that makes black pepper more than just a spice. Piperine, you see, is the unsung hero that gives black pepper its characteristic sharp flavor. But its role extends beyond just tickling our taste buds. Piperine acts as a bioenhancer. Now, what does that mean? Essentially, it enhances the absorption of other nutrients and compounds in your body. Think of it as a gatekeeper that opens the door wider for certain substances to enter your bloodstream. In the context of black pepper, piperine can actually increase the absorption of some vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients in your diet. However, as with most things in life, it's not all rosy. Piperine can sometimes be too good at its job. This over-efficiency can cause it to interfere with the absorption of certain medicines and food supplements. It's like that overzealous friend who's always eager to help but sometimes ends up complicating things. As nutritionist Cassia D. Muller explains, consuming large amounts of black pepper can lead to some unwelcome guests: gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, and vomiting. Here's why. When we consume black pepper in excess, our body's response is to try and flush out the piperine. This can put a strain on our digestive system, leading to irritation and discomfort. Moreover, in some cases, piperine can also interact with drug metabolism. Some drugs are designed to be slowly released into your system, but piperine can speed up this process, causing the drugs to be absorbed faster than intended. This can potentially lead to an overdose of the medication, even if you've taken the prescribed amount. So where does this leave us with black pepper? Well, moderation is key. A pinch here and there can certainly elevate your dishes and even offer some health benefits. But remember, the goal is to enhance your meals, not overpower them. While black pepper can add a kick to your meals, overdoing it can kick your health in the wrong direction. So the next time you reach for that pepper grinder, think of piperine and maybe, just maybe, use a lighter hand. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of black pepper without risking your health? Well, the secret lies in finding a balance. Black pepper is a fantastic spice, but like anything, it must be consumed in moderation. That's where the balanced approach comes in. It's not about completely eliminating black pepper from your diet, but rather about understanding and respecting its potency. Picture this: you're at a dinner party and the host offers you a dish of pasta sprinkled with a generous amount of black pepper. It's tempting to dive right in, but remember, it's about balance. Instead of piling on extra, stick to what's already there. That's moderation in action. It's also crucial to be aware of any medications or supplements you're taking. Piperine, that powerful compound in black pepper we discussed earlier, can cause certain substances to be absorbed faster or slower than usual. This means it could potentially interfere with your medication's effectiveness. So always make sure you're aware of any potential interactions. Now, you might be wondering, how can I navigate all this? It's a valid question. The world of nutrition can indeed seem like a labyrinth at times, and that's where professionals like Cassia D. Muller come into the picture. With a bachelor's degree in nutrition and 2 years of experience under her belt, Cassia can provide you with personalized advice. She can help you determine the right amount of black pepper for your specific needs, taking into account your overall health, lifestyle, and any medications you're taking. Incorporating black pepper into your health regimen doesn't have to be a guessing game. With the right guidance, you can enjoy the benefits of this spice while minimizing any potential risks. It's all about understanding the spice, respecting its potency, and seeking professional advice when needed. So, the next time you reach for that pepper grinder, remember to do so with a sense of balance and moderation. And don't hesitate to seek out advice from professionals like Cassia D. Muller. They're there to guide you, to help you make informed decisions about your health. Remember, when it comes to health, balance is key, even with something as seemingly harmless as black pepper. In conclusion, black pepper is not the villain here. It's a common culinary spice with centuries of medicinal use. Yet it's important to remember that its compound, piperine, can interfere with the absorption of certain medicines and supplements. Excessive intake might also lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. The key, as always, lies in a balanced approach. As Cassia D. Muller would advise, let's not pepper our health with misconceptions. Instead, let's spice it up with knowledge and balance.